you are.
I gotta poop.
Slingshot, engage.
They don't need to know.
Danny, say welcome everybody to the YouTube channel.
Welcome everybody to our YouTube channel.
Do you even know the name of the channel?
No, I don't.
Guess the name of the channel.
Truckpa.com.
PA?
I don't know.
What the hell does that mean?
We're doing private adjusting now.
No. Guess what the YouTube channel's name? Come on, really put some thought into it. What's my Instagram name?
I don't know.
Bro, what the hell? Bald Eagle Diesel.
Bald Eagle Diesel.
That's right. Let's hear the Bald Eagles. Woo!
Let me turn the traction control off for you real quick.
No, we need that. I don't want to go through my tires that quick. Are you kidding me? Oh, you're already short. You make yourself look really short now.
Game on.
It's already recording.
Okay.
Tell them what we're doing.
We're going to pick up a crane truck.
Attempt to, at least.
No, we're going to.
Well,
We're going to pull it, too, when it breaks down.
well, when it breaks down, exactly. That's almost a guarantee. I don't know why International even thought this motor was a good idea.
It's wonderful.
If you really think about this engine, they took a big Cummins motor and said, you know what engine we should mix this with? A 6.0. And that's what they did. So they put a 6.0 fuel system on it, but with a Cummins block, with a straight 6 block, and all that associates with that. Which is like, kind of... Alright, we made it to the old International 7400 DT 530, as you can see right here. It ran yesterday, so it's not going to start. So how to start an International DT 530. First you got to pop the hood latches on both sides while someone is cranking. Got to be cranking. Alright? This has this badass winch on it. So I got to put the phone down. Now, we got to go to the back seat. Open the door.
We got to get diesel fuel flowing to it, people.
Oh my god. Alright, now you gotta, it's really important that you grab any sort of cleaner. Alright, so we got some brake parts cleaner. Hold on, Danny, don't stop turning it. Now we're on top of the engine. As you can see, just take any cleaner you got. As long as it says cleaner. See how it says parts cleaner? Parts cleaner, alright. Then we just spray it on all over the place. Just a shitload of it. And then it gets it going. But it never stays running, right? So you got to do it a few times. Welcome. That's still starter. That's still starter. We only got about a quarter can left, so. Piece of garbage. There we go. Now you gotta let it idle for that, like that, for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, before it's ready to drive. But we gotta do the high idle life, you know what I mean? But we actually have to go up on top of the crane and get the ball off it. So you put that on another crane. So, you'll see this up.
Did I give up? Was it too hard? Or was it too hard cause I just gave up? Just gave up. Did I sleep away the day cause I was tired? Or did I get tired cause I slept too much? Slept too much. We go up and down, we go up and down on this roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride.
What's up, guys? So, hate to interrupt this awesome edit, but we kind of forgot to film at the delivering of the crane truck. We actually had to take it to the international dealer so they could fix it. Obviously, as you saw, it's broken. On the way, we started leaking a bunch of tranny fluid. We got there, it was blowing really, really hard. It was cold. We just didn't end up getting any footage there. But I know it's kind of a waste of video. This is more for me than you. I apologize. Subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff coming. This was more of an exercise for me in editing videos. I got some new editing software and stuff like that. Like I said, there's a bunch of new stuff coming in the works. I mean, people are coming from out of state and everything. It's gonna be fun. So here's a clip of me passing a bunch of people in the 6-7. All right. Bye.